I'm taking a moment to look at the energetics of what we are experiencing and also what the planet is experiencing right now. And when I feel into the layers, I see the mass consciousness reflecting upon all past moments when there wasn't completion, when things didn't get resolved, when there was not a moment of healing at the end of every cycle. And so whenever we are experiencing something, it happens in a cycle, it happens in a chapter. And if there's anything that's unresolved, unhealed, we'll hold our energy and awareness on that past moment that hasn't healed, hasn't completed. And then when we have these crossroads moments or these tipping point moments, which is what we're in right now, we'll scan and reflect upon all of these past moments that haven't healed. And then we'll bring our conscious awareness to the past to resolve it. But what we'll do is we'll start processing all of the emotions from those past moments in the now with our current situation, even though it has no bearing on our current situation. We might make a good story that connects it, but again, the emotions are actually out of timing, which is why it feels so disorienting. And we're going to bring in an energetic protocol to help resolve that. Taking a deep breath in, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line. And we invite you, Soul Rider, at the level of your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, and teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to reference how mass consciousness is referencing all of these unresolved moments in the past and are bringing their energy and awareness to those past moments and are working in dream time, working in the higher realms, trying to resolve it, dissolve it, heal it, grow from it, learn from it. Just take a moment to hold space as some energetic aspect of you is referencing this huge energetic process that all of humanity is doing at this point in time, unconsciously, most of them. And then because you've been empathically feeling them on some level, invite your higher self body, Deva's higher self, and teams to send appropriate energetic information to all of these people at the level of their higher selves where they have a capacity to receive it in the appropriate moment in time. Returning all of their emotions back to them in the appropriate moment in time where they can use it as their fuel for their growth and evolution. Give yourself space, permission to step out of that mass consciousness field, to recognize that you consciously process your previous incarnations, process unresolved moments. You don't have to do it unconsciously. You're aware of your energetic self. Just keep holding space as some energetic aspect of you sends appropriate energetic information, returns those responsibilities and those emotional bundles back to them. You can spin your fields in a counterclockwise direction if you desire, returning all of these empathic sensations, all of these fears, all of this grief, all of this upset back to them. Holding space for them to do debriefs, to go back in time to all of those unresolved moments. And then if some energetic aspect of you is referencing any unresolved moments for your own self, we invite you, Soul Rider, at the level of your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, and teams to reference an appropriate dimension where you can sit in council with your guides and your advisors, activating all vibrations of all spiritual lessons from all of those moments in the past that are still unresolved. Call in guides and advisors to create this safe space for you to heal, shift, awaken, evolve, mature from all of these past moments, activating the vibration of the spiritual lessons and rippling and reflecting that to your vibrational fabric in the breath of now. And then taking a deep breath in, holding space for your body to do this work as well. And I don't think I've ever seen such an intense healing of the past at a global level before. Everyone's doing it. Again, most people are doing it unconsciously. So the more you can do it consciously, the easier it will be, the less empathically impacted you will be. Taking a deep breath in, updating your grids, all your reference points always